If you're a curious mind, then you need to know why the sun makes you sneeze. Buckle up for this bright revelation. So you're out enjoying a sunny day, you look up and... what's up with that? This quirky reflex is called the photic sneeze reflex. Sounds fancy, right? About 1 in 3 people have it. Here's the scoop. When bright light hits your eyes, it sends a signal to your brain. Sometimes your brain gets its wires crossed and sends a sneeze signal instead. Talk about a wild mix-up. Scientists think it's a genetic trait. So if your mom or dad sneezes at the sun, you might too. Next time you catch yourself sneezing at the sun, just remember, it's your brain playing a little prank on you. Stay curious and don't forget your sunglasses. Catch you next time with more amazing body facts.